Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. We're going to harvest some of our currants tomorrow, so we're out here taking a look at everything before we lose the fruit. And this is Eagle Black Currant. Eagle Black Currant is very productive for us. The branches we have here are all kind of leaning down, loaded with currants. It's got a little bit of a stronger taste like Titania. Not as sweet as some of the others like Tana, but it's a healthy plant and it's a good producer for us. Those out there that grew up with black currants and are happy with them, you can certainly eat this out of hand, fresh. But if the case of currant is something that you grew accustomed to later in life, then I would say this would be a good one to sweeten up or cook or make a jam out of. But one thing that I have grown to enjoy is the smell of currants, particularly early in the spring. Really strong. It's really got a strong fragrance to it that that kind of has taken on the signal for spring to me, because currants are one of the first things to leaf out, and it's got a pretty early fruit, obviously, because we're still pretty early in the year. And we have a few flowering currants that are definitely one of the first things to flower in the springtime. So currants, we really enjoy currants. This Eagle currant is going to be a great one, and we will harvest all of these berries tomorrow. This is Eagle Currant. If you're looking for an addition to your currant patch, this would be a good one. And like all currants, they're very easy to propagate. So if you wanted to just take a cutting and stick it in a pot in the winter, you can end up with a new plant as a gift or to kind of expand your orchard.